Namaste students. I am JVN Dr. Aksha Bhati from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today students we discuss about production technology of tea from the course BSc Agriculture semester 4th of course BSc AG 4th semester tea, which is botanically known as Camellia or Camellia sinensis, family Camelliaceae or Theaceae, chromosome number 2n equals to 30. As you all know, uses of tea, first जो हम सब commonly use करते हैं as a beverage पीने के लिए, because it contains alkaloids called theine 2 to 5%, which has caffeinaceous alkaloid which relieves body fatase. Then second इसके अंदर जो होता है वो polyphenols which reduces blood cholesterol and cures hepatitis, hypertension, stone formation. And black tea is used as medicinal properties. It is a anti-ulceric and carcinogenic in nature. There are three research stations in India जिसपे सबसे ज़्यादा टी पे वर्क होता है. First is UPSI, United Planters Association of South India, which research institute is located in Coimbatore. Second is TES, Tea Experimentation Station in Jorhat, Assam, and Tea Board located in Calcutta. Origin of tea is mostly the Chinese people first introduced the tea, so their origin is Southeast Asia. अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया में असम इज द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस, सबसे ज्यादा जहाँ पे टी होती है. और in all over world, first producer is China and second is India. Other countries में केन्या, टर्की, इंडोनेशिया, जापान. एंड अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो सबसे ज्यादा 53% प्रोडक्शन असम है, देन वेस्ट बंगाल 24%, तमिलनाडु 13%, केरला 8%. ऑल्दो सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी की, फाइनेस्ट क्वालिटी की जो टी है वो दार्जिलिंग में मिलती है. अगर हम टी की स्पीसीज की बात करें, देयर आर टू मेन स्पीसीज. फर्स्ट इज चाइना बुश which have small leaved China bush type, which is known as Camellia sinensis. And the second one is Assam tea, which have large leaf, and it is also Camellia sinensis variety Assamica. Third, which is very common in southern India in the form of tea, is Cambodia tea race, which is also used, but it is not more popular. Distribution in India, it is mainly cultivated in the Nilgiris and Western Ghats, Mangalore, which is known as southern form of tea for the Cambodia race. Then come climate and soil for tea. It is a subtropical species, therefore South India is the main important place where it is grown. It requires moist, warm and winter with no cold. Temperature, mean temperature 29.5 degrees centigrade and minimum 13 degrees centigrade. It is tea is cultivated on highly tract around 1000 meter and above. The temperature is relatively low here, so it is best for the cultivation. Altitude, it ranges from sea level up to 2460 above mean sea level. In North India, tea plantation are located in plains, whereas in South India it is cultivated in hilly regions. Rainfall, well distributed rainfall 125 to 750 centimeter required. Day length, critical day length for vegetative growth, that is 10.5 hours. Whereas in growing area, in winter, November to March, shorter day length. Vegetative growth causes more, whereas in July to September, long and conductive to good vegetative growth. In South India, day length becomes more than 11 hours. Relative humidity in North India more than 60%, whereas in South India, fall 15% in February to March. Frost causes adverse effect on tea bush, especially in the ravines. Then come to soil. Wide range of soils is suitable for tea cultivation, whereas acidic soil is not good for tea cultivation. It prefers soils rich in organic matter with well-drained situation, whereas tea is cultivated on hill slopes like Western Ghats, Nilgiri Hills. Then calcifuse nature of tea. Tea is a calcifuse and an aluminum accumulator. Performance of tea in soils with higher calcium is not satisfactory. It grows on soils where are rich in iron and manganese. Then come to planting material and plant propagation of tea. There are two methods, seed propagation and vegetative methods. In seed propagation, seed is convened to use planting material in tea. Till today, tea is generally propagated from seed. But during recent years, high yielding clonal material is used, which is propagated by vegetative propagation. In vegetative propagation, budding, grafting, layering and cutting can be done, whereas grafting is the more popular in the high yielding drought or susceptible clones like UPSI 3, 8, 17 as a SICOMs, and drought tolerant crops like UPSI 2, 6, 9, 10. Then in vegetative cuttings is also can be done by single node cuttings, semi hardwood cuttings. Alike characters of the clones are desirable like yield, quality, quick recovery. Features of mother bush: compactness, individual stem should be thick and uniform. Bushes have early feeling tendency. Bushes should have lateral spreading habit. Main stem should be dense. Flushes leaves should be pubescent. High yield per unit area of plucking stable should be high. Flowering tendency: bushes should not have many bengy buds. Secondaries and tertiaries in bush should have upright growth. Then this is the main quality. Then time of planting. In North India, some winter season with low rainfall is good, like October to November, whereas in South India, summer season or rainy season is more suitable, that is May to June. प्लांटिंग ऑपरेशन पिट साइज जो है वो 45 सेंटीमीटर होल होना चाहिए और 60 सेंटीमीटर डेप्थ होनी चाहिए, या फिर जो पिट्स हैं वो 30 बाय 30 इंटू 45 के होने चाहिए. स्पेसिंग की बात करें, इट वेरीज variety to variety, like 1.5 meter to 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter into 0.75 meter can also be used. Methods of planting: there are many two methods: single hedge method system and double hedge system methods. In single system, spacing is 1.2 into 0.75 meter is taking, जबकि डबल हैज में 1.35 into 0.75 and 0.75 is taking. Then जो main important है इसका training and pruning and tree. Normally tea bushes are established within a month after planting. Within a period of 12 to 18 months, they reach up to height 60 to 75 centimeter. After this stage, pruning is taken up. First training is done for framing and shaping. For maintenance प्रोडक्शन के लिए हमें इसकी pruning की जरूरत पड़ती है, and that is done at 18 to 20 months after 20 months. Initial operations are centering. Then height of plucking table is taken up to 65 to 90 centimeter. Season of pruning is pre-monsoon or post-monsoon periods is good. Whereas types of pruning, first important is skiffing, then tipping, lung pruning, medium pruning, and rehabilitation pruning or chloride pruning. In these all 5 type of prunings, the main height of the plant is taken. Like in skiffing, the 5 to 7 centimeter new growth per रिमूव किए जाते हैं फॉलिएज, जबकि रिहेबिटेशन पर 30 to 40 सेंटीमीटर की हाइट पे इसकी रिहेबिटेशन किए जाते हैं। देन टी शेड मेंटेनेंस एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इन टी प्लांटेशन। Tea requires flooded light. If it is exposed to direct to sun, it growth is affected. Therefore, the plants are grown in any shades, their bushes. Then protection is required for from direct sunlight and hot weather. Then fertility के लिए there are NPK are used. टेम्परेचर इफेक्ट को लोअर डाउन करने के लिए विंड ब्रेक्स लगाए जाते हैं, इरोजन कंट्रोल किया जाता है। एडिशनल इनकम के लिए टिम्बर और सपोर्टिंग ट्रीज भी हम उसमें इम्प्लांट कर सकते हैं। There are types of shade trees are permanent or they are be temporary. In permanent, Albizia, Libec, Dalbergia are used, whereas in temporary, Indigofera, Tepsni, Glycida is used mainly. Then manuring, mainly nitrogen. This is a heavy crop, so it requires 10 kg of nitrogen for every 100 kg of crop. Phosphorus 30 to 40 kg, potash 40 to 50 kg. In plant protection, there are some disease of fungi like blister, black rot, or root diseases are there. This can be easily controlled by fungicides. Where is the important is their harvesting, yield, and their manufacturing of tea. There are two types of shoots, aperiodic जिसको हम प्राइमरी शूट्स कहते हैं, जिनको हम प्रून करते हैं, देन पीरियोडिक शूट्स, फ्लश शूट जिसे कहा जाता है, और जो कि एक्सिल ऑफ लीव्स पे होती हैं। There are different plucking is also in done at different stages, like young shoots भी करते हैं apical bud के साथ 2 और 3, और stage और age of plucking जो होती है when plants is 3 to 4 year olds, plucking is done. और आइडियल मैनेजमेंट के लिए इसको 18 to 20 मंथ स्टेज तक लाना चाहिए। यंग लीव्स आर मोर tannins and phenols produce better quality of tea, whereas leaves with less old are have less. टाइप्स ऑफ शूट्स की अगर हम बात करें तो बड हो सकती है, फर्स्ट लीफ, सेकंड लीफ, थर्ड लीफ, स्टॉक बिटवीन सेकंड लीफ एंड बड, एंड स्टॉक बिटवीन थर्ड टू फोर्थ लीफ। जो बेस्ट प्लकिंग की हम अगर बात करें इज ऑफ 2 लीव्स एंड 1 बड की बेस्ट पिकिंग कहलाती है। Then type of plucking, better quality के लिए evening plucked in the morning, whereas in evening they are not good for plucking the good quality of tea. Then come to their manufacturing. There are maximum caffeine content allowed to 3% in tea होना चाहिए। क्लासिफिकेशन करें तो ग्रीन टी होती है, जो ब्लैक टी, ग्रीन टी, ऑगलोंग, ब्रेक एंड लेटप्लेट्स चीज टाइप की होती हैं। और अगर हम प्रोसेसिंग की बात करें तो 3 तरह के प्रोसेसिंग मेनली होते हैं। एक होता है ऑर्थोडॉक्स मेथड, जिसमें रोलिंग ऑपरेशंस होते हैं विद डिफरेंट सीरीज ऑफ रोलर्स, सीटीसी, क्रश, टीयर एंड कर्ड, जिसके अंदर पेयर ऑफ रोलर्स एडजस्ट टू क्रशेस एंड टीयर्स द लीव्स। देन एलटीपी, जो जिसको लॉरेट टी प्रोसेस कहते हैं, इट इज अ फ्लावराइजिंग मशीन which carries number of beaters. After in the preparation of black tea, 4 principal operations are done: weathering, rolling, fermenting, and dyeing. There was the tea is ready. After this, there are some chemical physical appearance changes भी इसमें करने पड़ते हैं। So these are the main process of steps of making tea. Students, that is all about the manufacturing of manufacturing of tea. That's thank you.